Supercharge your customer relationships by integrating WhatsApp marketing directly into your HubSpot CRM. First, navigate to your Aisensy dashboard. Look for the prominent Connect to HubSpot button, usually found within the Integrations or Settings section. Click on it to begin the connection process. You will then be redirected to HubSpot's login page. Log in using your HubSpot credentials. Make sure you're logging in with the account you want to connect to Aisensy. Next, carefully review the permissions requested by Aisensy. This outlines what data Aisensy will have access to within your HubSpot account. Grant the necessary permissions to allow the integration to function correctly. Now, you'll need to map your Aisensy WhatsApp message attributes to the corresponding properties in HubSpot. This ensures that data from your WhatsApp conversations accurately populates relevant fields within your CRM, like phone number or message content. Finally, leverage the power of automation. Create workflows in HubSpot that are triggered by WhatsApp events. For example, automatically enroll a contact in a nurturing sequence when they send a specific keyword via WhatsApp.